Hey, what's up guys? I'm Lan here. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the latest iOS 13.3 update. So as you can see right now, we are at 13.2.3, and also as you can see, I'm using this update on my iPhone, that is iPhone 10R. Also, let me show you the build number version as well. As you can see, the software version, it says 17B111. This is the iPhone update. So as you can see right now, it's running on 13.2.3, and I just found out that we have received an software update. So let me check the software update. As you can see it right now, looking for software update, and as you can see, iOS 13.3 is available. I haven't applied any patch or any kind of external software on my iPhone, so it's running on stock iOS. And as I've showed you earlier that it was running on 13.2.3, and after that it is on 13.3, as you can see. So you're able to see that the size update is 694.8 MB, and I have to download this update. So let me just click on download and install. So it will ask me for the passcode, and let me quickly put my passcode. So once it puts the passcode, it will try to download the update. So it might take some time. As you can see, it's already started downloading, and it says that estimated time remaining, so it will take some time to download the update. So this was just a short video showing you guys that we got the update for iOS 13.3. If you're using any of the newer devices like Apple iPhone 7, 7 Plus, you can try and go and check whether you have got the update or not. As you can see, for me it's showing 8 minutes remaining. So I'll make a separate video on what exactly the iOS 13.3 brings to the table. I'll make a separate video on that. This video was all about that I have received the iOS 13.3 on my iPhone XR. So probably this is the last time I'm going to be using my phone with iOS 13.2.3. so yep, you can expect a video coming on 13.3 and the new features. So then again, that's it for this video. If you have liked the video, give this video a thumbs up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Then again, have a good day. Bye bye.